All right, guys, we are going to look up our BAH. So from Google, we are going to type in BAH calculator. This first link, BAH calculator defense travel management office. Click on that. Now the site looks different if you've been on here before, but no worries. Sergeant First Class Bytes is here to assist. We're going to go to allowances up here on the top. Basic allowance for housing, over to BAH rate lookup. And here's your calculator. You're going to type in your zip code, the zip code of your lease or mortgage. Year, we're not going to touch the year. The only time you would do that is if you were trying to look up old BAH rates. Pay grade, are you an E1, E2, E3? I'm going to leave this on E1 and then hit submit. So here we got the zip code we entered, 37415. That is Chattanooga, Tennessee. E1 with dependents will make $1,518 per month. Now, if you're an E1 without dependents, but you can provide proof of a lease or a mortgage and a utility bill in your name, then you can get $1,140 per month. If you have any questions about calculating your BAH, just let me know and I will assist. This is Sergeant First Class Bytes. I'm out.